Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ladder Stand Blind Kit is probably one of the most sought-after hunting accessories for enhancing concealment and comfort while hunting from elevated positions, offering a significant advantage by masking your presence from wary game animals and providing a stable, comfortable platform for hours of observation, significantly increasing your chances of a successful hunt. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, this product is a game changer. Number 5. Muddy Made to Fit Blind Kit 3. It features an epic camo pattern that blends seamlessly with your surroundings, providing superior concealment during your hunts. This ensures you remain undetected by your target animals. Access your blind quickly and quietly with the convenient zippered entrance. It allows for easy entry and exit without disturbing your hunting position. Experience ultimate concealment with its 3/4 surround design. It provides maximum protection from the elements and keeps you hidden from view. Built to last, it's made from durable, weather-resistant materials. This ensures it will withstand various weather conditions, extending its lifespan. This blind is designed for easy setup and takedown, allowing you to quickly get into position and start hunting. Spend less time setting up and more time hunting. It's designed to fit Nexus and partner blinds, ensuring a perfect and secure fit. This makes it a versatile choice for various hunting scenarios. What we like. It boasts an epic camo pattern for ultimate concealment, and features a convenient zippered entrance for easy access. The 3/4 surround provides superior protection from the elements. If you prioritize concealment and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit perfect on my stand and set it up in 5 minutes before an evening hunt. It's been on the stand in the woods since October 2021 and it's perfect as of today. Nice thick Marshall and easy to install. Great fit. Number 4. Hawk 1.5 Man Ladder Blind Kit. Introducing the Hawk 1.5 Man Ladder Blind Kit. It's designed for superior concealment and comfort, taking your hunting game to the next level. This kit is built to last. The weatherproof Realtree Extra fabric ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions, keeping you protected and hidden. With its superior camouflage properties, it seamlessly blends into the natural environment. Stay hidden from your target with this amazing kit. It's designed to perfectly fit Hawk's 1.5-person Big Denali and Sasquatch ladder stands. Enjoy a hassle-free setup and enhanced convenience. The centered zipper allows for smooth and discreet movement, ensuring optimal concealment throughout your hunt. Enjoy a seamless hunting experience. What we like. Made from 100% durable cotton, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. The centered zipper allows for smooth, quiet entry and exit. It offers unparalleled concealment and comfort. If you need a reliable and comfortable blind that's easy to use, this one's for you. What people say. Product fit perfectly, easy to install and worked well. Fit my Denali perfectly, attached to gun rail, pull rail up, totally hidden, deadly. This kit is advertised as being for 2 specific tree stand models from Hawk, but even on the product packaging it says it will fit any 1.5 width or smaller stand with a shooting rail, regardless of brand. Nice quality, heavy fabric with water-resistant coating on the inside. Sleeve top to slip over your shooting rail, with ties on the bottom to secure your stand. Zip front for crawl-through access. Number 3. Mud Deer Hunting Stand. It lets you sit 20 feet high, concealed from your target. Get the perfect vantage point for a successful hunt. Your safety is key. This stand includes a 4-point safety harness for stability and peace of mind during your hunt. Hunt in comfort with its large, padded seat, armrests, and flip-back footrest. You can wait patiently without discomfort. It adapts to various hunting situations. The movable shooting rail provides stability for aiming, and it flips up for bow hunting flexibility. It easily breaks down into 4 parts for transport. Weighing only 82 pounds, it's simple to set up wherever you're hunting. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, safety, and portability with this hunting stand. Get ready for a successful hunting season. What we like. This option offers an elevated advantage for superior game viewing, along with secure hunting features for your safety and peace of mind. The comfortable seating ensures you can hunt for extended periods. If you value safety, comfort, and a strategic hunting position, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Great height at 21.5 foot. When assembling and parts don't line up, don't force, you have done something wrong. Took a couple tries to get it right, but when you do it's very sturdy and comfortable. Assembly was easy and the quality of the stand is superior to others I have purchased. I hoped for a more comfortable stand and this one delivered. Number 2. Muddy Made to Fit Blind Kit 2. Get ready to experience the ultimate in hunting comfort and convenience. This kit is designed to perfectly fit your needs, ensuring a successful hunt. It seamlessly integrates with your existing hunting setup. It's adaptable to various terrains and hunting styles. Enjoy unparalleled comfort during long hours in the stand. It's designed to keep you relaxed and focused on the hunt. Setting it up is a breeze. You'll be ready to hunt in minutes, thanks to its intuitive design. Built to withstand the elements, it's a reliable companion for all your hunting adventures. It's made to last. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring maximum comfort and concealment. Experience the difference a custom fit makes. Get superior quality and performance at an unbeatable price. It's the smart choice for serious hunters. What we like. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to transport and set up. This makes it perfect for hunters who are always on the go. If you're looking for convenience and portability, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits great. Number 1. Big Game Treestands Deluxe Blind. Hunters, get ready for the ultimate in concealment. This kit offers unparalleled versatility and ease of use, whether you're using it in a tree stand or on the ground. It's made from durable, weather-resistant camo fabric, ensuring you stay hidden and dry no matter the conditions. This material is built to last, season after season. This blind is designed to fit any elevated stand with a shooting rail, or it can be used independently at ground level. The possibilities are endless. Setting it up is a breeze. 2 sections easily attach with Velcro and secure ties, making for quick and easy installation. At 32 inches high and 100 inches long, it provides ample space. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag for easy transport to your hunting spot. Use it in a tree stand or on the ground, it's the perfect addition to your hunting gear. Get yours today. What we like. It's made from durable, weather-resistant material and offers quick and easy installation. It can be used on elevated stands or even on the ground. If you need a versatile and easy-to-use blind, this is a great option. What people say. Heavy-duty fabric, easy to tie off, and I love the pocket on the inside. I put my range finder in it. Very easy to attach to tree stand rail. Very quiet. Blocks the wind quite well. This camo blind kit is cheap, so don't expect all the bells and whistles of a deer blind with satellite TV. It covers enough of the stand area to hide most of your movements you would do with your hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.